This time we will make this beautiful shaped leaf of Romanian point lace. For work you need crochet cord, mat, scissors, a ball of yarn and pins. I placed the paper on the sponge mat so I can pin my cord to this pattern. First, go along the cord to the first side loop you are going to begin to work through. For this I turn the work. Here I am going to start from this loop. I will begin from the top to the bottom. With the needle go through the loop. With the needle go under 4 threads. Yarn over. With the needle make the first filling stitch. With the needle go under the 4 threads, yarn over and make the first filling stitch. And let's make one more time. At this time I skip these 2 threads, then with the needle go through the under 4 next threads. And make 2 more times. In total it should be 3 of them. Two. And 3. I will work on this side. With the needle go under 4 threads on this side. 1, 2, 3. We skip 2 threads, with the needle go under 4 next 4 threads. Make 3 times filling stitch. Two, and 3. We have done filling stitches. I'm working on the left side. make fill-in stitches 3 times. 2, and 3. We skip 2 threads and work with the next 4. Make 3 fill-in stitches. Two, and 3. Continue working on the opposite side. So continue working in this way till the end of this sleeve. I have done fill-in stitches. Now turn the work. Today we have learned how to make one more kind fill-in stitches. For more video tutorials, please visit our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.